a bill that requires the government to, among other things, deny any immigration benefit, visa, immigration relief, or admission to the United States to any foreign national who adheres to Sharia law. It similarly directs the government to remove any foreign national already here if the government determines that the person is an adherent of Sharia law. This kind of government discrimination based purely on a person's religious beliefs, not actions, is a blatant violation of the First Amendment's free exercise and free speech guarantees. And to the extent that this bill implicitly favors Christianity or another faith over Islam by singling out Islam for government disfavor, could violate both the spirit and the letter of the Establishment Clause. By banning an adherent of Sharia law from the country, the bill essentially targets any observant Muslim for government discrimination. Sharia is concerned with guiding individual personal religious observance, not shaping national law. Just as other belief systems guide the adherents of those faiths, Sharia guides Muslims in how to pray, dress, eat, or fast, and includes rules about marriage, divorce, and the raising of children. So to say that an adherent of Sharia law should be excluded or removed from the country is to say that all Muslims should be excluded or removed from the country because of their religious beliefs and observances. It goes against everything that America stands for, and we need look no further for confirmation of that than one of our founding fathers, Thomas Jefferson. In his autobiography, Jefferson wrote about what he considered one of his proudest achievements, the drafting of the Virginia Statute for Religious Freedom of 1786, a precursor to our First Amendment. He affirmed that religious freedom was meant to encompass within the mantle of its protection people of every denomination. In addition to expressing the fundamentally American belief in the right to freely practice one's religion and to prevent the government from favoring one religion over another, Jefferson's writings specifically reference, among other faiths, believers in Islam, illustrating that from our republic's earliest days, Muslims were intended to be included within the fabric of American life. The kind of demagoguery that this hearing represents is unbecoming of this subcommittee as one that is dedicated to the Constitution and unbecoming of members of Congress. Our attention should be focused on the Trump administration's repeated attacks on our constitutional order and on Americans' rights, including the rights to free speech, a free press, to peaceably assemble, to petition the government for redress of grievances. We shouldn't be furthering ugly Islamophobia and justifying a blatantly unconstitutional bill. It's shameful and it's un-American.